around again. Winds are blowing about 15 knots, predicted to gust to 20. These are 1 to 2 feet. We're getting hit with an occasional surprise once in a while. And yes, we've got a reef in. And the weather helm is just about negligible. And for those that heard that massive flapping in our sail the last time, I found out that my reefing line was flapping against the sail. Once I snugged her up, the flapping stopped quite a bit. So no battens in today, and very little flapping on the leech. The nice thing about the catboat, as you can see, there's one of those cowards of the slope who only has his genoa set. They're afraid of the wind. Meanwhile, we're plowing along at 5 knots plus with my trusty first mate on the main sheet. She does look a little sunburned. We got roasted the last time out because the wind died. What a day for a sail. Oh, we do love going faster than these sloops with the Genoas. We could beat them any day. Little main sheet there, thank you. Weather helm was just a little bit interesting. And it looks like a beautiful day on Vineyard Sound. They're forecasting thunderstorms, folks, so we're not going to be here long today. The lightning was striking last night. Today's not bad. It's what the catboat is made for. As you can see, a little bit of a wake behind Simba, but not much pull on the rudder. A lot more boats out today. Must be the wind. All right, first mate, say goodbye. Bye. Signing off from Vineyard Sound on Saturday. Well, a little over the front for you, just in case you wanted to see us sing. Have a good day. We're off for a day of flight.